Hi, RKavanaugh here again at BISH'S RV in beautiful Junction City. Hey, if you like this video, if you find it helpful, please like and subscribe it down below. Today, we've got this fantastic 2010 Winnebago. It's a Class C. It's the 31C. It's the Outlook. This thing has really low miles. It's got 2 slide outs, and for a Class C to have 2 slide outs, that's pretty amazing. Even though this is an older motorhome, it is in really good shape, and it's got really low miles, and most important, it is really priced to sell. When you look at this on the website, you'll see what I'm saying. This is not going to last. This is very popular. It's a very popular floor plan. Everything works on this thing. It's very nice. Let's come have a look at the inside. So this is an upgraded Class C motorhome. You can tell by the upgraded finishes here. That's not standard. This particular one has the electric mirrors, and let me tell you, if you get the electric and heated mirrors, that's the way to go, because as you know, with all the wind and everything, your mirrors tend to move. It's nice to not have to roll down the window. These are upgraded cabinets. Very nice. It looks flawless on both sides. Lots of storage. You actually have a built-in speaker here for your stereo. This is really nice. This is a really nice motorhome. And I'm telling you, for the money, you won't believe how inexpensive this one is. This one will not last. This is an upgraded Winnebago Class C, so you've got nice plush leatherette sofa, which breaks down into a bed, of course. And the same thing with the dinette. This is a Dream dinette. This will also break down into a bed. And then what makes the Class C, right, is the cab over bunk. This cushion falls down here. It makes for a nice full-size bed. Easily sleeps 2 adults or a few kids, if you got some kids. You got this nice little TV right here. And then going back to the cab, look at these seats. They're flawless. Very nice. And I'll say it again, this coach has really low miles. So you're getting an older coach, but it's got low miles. It's very evident it's been taken care of. There's no scratches or anything. Nice floors, nice carpet. As we move into the little kitchen galley area, again, you have space here, you have space here, and you have some space here. You still have the covers here with a nice porcelain sink. And on this particular floor plan for Class Cs, as you know, space is very limited. You have lots of working space here. Nice big microwave, convection oven as well, and then you got a 3-burner gas stove. A really nice, again, this is the upgraded motorhome, so you got this wood paneling here for the refrigerator. You normally don't see that in a standard Class C motorhome. It's a gas propane electric, so if you're boondocking, this is the way to go as well. Nice shower. It's an open shower with the glass door. Again, you don't normally see a glass door in a Class C motorhome. Good space there, and then you have a bathroom here. So, have a look. And as you move into the bedroom here, you have a nice queen-size bed, you know, with a nice little counter here to put your phone or whatever. You've got some places to charge. A lot of folks have CPAP machines. This is the way to go. If you notice, it's a nice walk-around bed. A lot of people like the walk-around bed for good reason. And you also have these power outlets here, so if you have any machines that you need to charge, including a CPAP or something, this is perfect for you. A very deep wardrobe here. It's actually a 3-door wardrobe. Of course, you have a nice dresser down there and a dresser here, and you also have another TV up here. So this 31-foot Class C motorhome has it all. And I'm telling you, look at the price on the website. You'll see what I'm saying. This one will not last. Ask for me, RKavanaugh. Let's take it for a test drive. I know you'll like it, especially with the price. I've only said price 3 or 4 times now, so I'm kind of foot stomping on that. So have a look at it. Give me a call. I'd be happy to show it to you. We can take it for a test drive and we can make a deal. Talk to you soon.